Hey, Mr. Carlson,
What's that?
you are really good at cleaning.
Thank you very much. I better get back to cleaning.
Huh? Huh? Ah!
What?
There, there, there's somebody watching us.
Oh, hi. I was just cleaning. Yeah, welcome to my kitchen. I know it's not our normal music classroom, but yeah, I'm doing some cleaning. Have you ever heard of spring cleaning? Do you remember what season we're in right now? Yeah, we're in the season of spring. And in the springtime, a lot of people like to do a lot of cleaning. When I was your age growing up, my family and I, we would clean the whole house. We would clean and clean and clean, and sometimes we did it all in one day. And we cleaned so much. But it got to be really boring and really hard. And so my family and I, we came up with a fun way to do it. And I'm gonna share that with you today. You need to go get something to clean with. But in this activity at school, well, we would have used one of these, a scarf. But you don't need a scarf for this, so we don't need that. What you need is either a little wash rag or maybe a bigger towel. And if you don't have one of those, you could even just use a sock. I don't care what you use. I'm gonna finish cleaning up some of my dishes. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to go get something to clean with. Ready? Go! Hurry up! I'm almost done. You might already be back. I'm just waiting for the others. Oh man, that is dirty. Yeah, I think we got it. All right, everyone should be back. Now, for this activity, there's gonna be a song. And in the song, the music, when it first plays, it sounds like it is hard work. And we gotta make sure that we work hard. But then the music's gonna change. And it's gonna sound really happy and like we're having a lot of fun. And can you change how you're having fun and how you're cleaning? And you'll see what I mean in my version of cleaning here. When you add your response to this activity, you have a bunch of different ways. You could send me a video of you doing the activity right along with me. Or you could send me a video of you helping clean around wherever you live. Or you could send me a picture. You could use the drawing tools on Seesaw to draw a picture of you cleaning. Or you could even write me a story and tell me how you were cleaning, how you helped clean up. Or you could even use the microphone and share with me. You could tell me your story and I could listen to it. However you want to respond is totally okay with me. All right, are you ready to clean? Let's do it. I'm gonna start the music.